Let me ask you something. What if I told you there is a $1.7 trillion financial market operating right now in America, and it has almost zero regulation, zero transparency, and zero oversight? What if I told you that the biggest banks on Wall Street, the largest pension funds managing your retirement savings, and some of the most powerful investment firms on the planet are all deeply exposed to this market? And what if I told you that almost nobody in mainstream financial media is talking about it because it's boring, it's complex, and it doesn't trend on Twitter? This market is called private credit, and it might be the most important financial story that nobody is covering right now. You've heard about the stock market bubble. You've heard about the housing bubble. You've heard about the crypto bubble. But private credit? That one flies completely under the radar. No daily ticker, no CNBC segment, no Reddit thread blowing up about it. And that's exactly what makes it dangerous. Because the history of financial crises is not a history of the risks everyone was watching. It's a history of the risks nobody was watching. The 2008 crisis wasn't caused by stocks. It was caused by mortgage-backed securities that almost nobody understood until it was too late. Private credit could be this generation's mortgage-backed securities moment. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what private credit is, how it became a $1.7 trillion market almost overnight, who is